Hello everyone. Welcome back and thank you for joining in Auhapwrd channel. And in this video, I have something very exciting for you guys. So a lot of you guys have been asking me to keep making tutorial and full course on each car. So I decided to finally want to do it because I also want to expand my business and I want to make use of my skill so I can teach you guys to make the cars that I usually make. Now, if you really want to make the stylized car like me, well, this is going to be your chance because I finally going to be able to release all of the course of each cars on my website. Now, the course will be going to be, of course, paid, and you can purchase it and buy it on my website, and the link is going to be in the description down below. In the meantime, there's going to be a lot of cars that you can choose to model and make, so feel free to choose in there. And in this video, I'm not going to show you the entire modeling and tutorial because that's going to be like maybe each session of the modeling of the car is going to be like 5 to 10 hours. It's going to be like a relaxed, chill session with me. So it's going to be very worth for the price. I wouldn't be visible on the camera, but I'm going to talk to teach you what to do in the modeling process and the workflow. But just for the focus sake, I wouldn't be visible in the camera so you can focus more on the model. Now, if you want to choose each of the specific car that you want to see as a course or to buy, you can decide that by joining my Patreon as even a free member because I'm going to post a poll in there so that you can choose which car that you want to see next for the tutorial or the course. And of course, you can buy the course on my website. I'm going to put the link in the description down below so you can check the course in the description down below, and I'll see you there. So let's get started, shall we? Alright, welcome to the full course of the Mini Cybertruck tutorial course by Auhapwrd. Okay, I'm gonna explain to you guys the very first thing that we are going to talk about in this course is gonna be welcome. Welcome and thank you for joining. Thank you for purchasing the course, and thank you for supporting also the artist, the human artist behind Auhapwrd. So the very first thing we're going to talk about the essential setup. The setup for the workflow is I'm going to talk about this by just saying that in my case, I usually work with the ultra wide monitor. So it's like a 21:9 like this. So you can set up the reference image in here and also the full course guide in here. The Blender it's going to be around here. So like it's going to be wide enough so that you can still see the reference image clearly while also maintaining the workflow for the Blender clearly too. And that's very important. But if you have like a single monitor, you can also still do this by splitting the two windows at the time. And if you have like two monitors, circle, and then you want to use 7 as the vertices and put it in the middle. Something like this, right? And then you want to start modeling it one by one like this. Extrude to the middle, put it on top, make it bigger so that it looks like neat. And you also want to make the around like so. 12 probably is good. Don't need to do that, to be honest. Put it in the center, then put subdivision modifier. And then put 5. Remove the crease in this part. If you want a 3D print, you have to make sure it's connected to each other. Each part is connected to each other. Nice. You can even add some funny things in there, like accessories. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations, you already finished your course on making the Mini Tesla Cybertruck in Auhapwrd style. I hope you're enjoying it. I hope you have a fun time and a lot of things to learn. And we're gonna be seeing each other again in another course full tutorial. Stay awesome, stay powered. Thank you for staying and thank you for supporting the channel and supporting the artists. I'll see you in the next one. Stay awesome, stay powered.